Hi everyone, I'm Evelyn from OrangeTee and Thai AJ Division. Today I'm here at Block 151, Ang Mo Kio Avenue 5. If you're a Heartlander and you're looking for a 3-bedroom in Ang Mo Kio Estate, please join me to take a look at this new generation unit. This is a high-floor unit and it has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The size of this unit is 731 square feet, north-south orientation. As you step into this apartment, you'll notice how spacious this apartment is. This unit uses quite a bit of mirror and it creates a sense of spaciousness. As you can see, there are a wide panel of mirror on both sides of the wall, and you can easily place a 6-seater dining set here. You can enclose this area by closing the glass door when you switch on the air conditioner or when you are doing your cooking in the kitchen. The kitchen size is fantastic. The width of the space is wide, and there are also quite a bit of storage spaces. Let's check out the bedrooms now, starting from the common bedroom. It has currently a single bed, but you can easily put a queen or king size bed and also a dresser or a study table. Let's walk over to the master bedroom. There's currently a king size bed, and you can see there's space for side tables and a dresser if you wish. There's also an attached bathroom. This location is accessible to a lot of amenities such as the MRT, public buses, Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park and Ang Mo Kio Town Garden West, supermarkets and wet markets. With just an 8-minute walk from Mayflower MRT Thomson East Line and 10-minute walk from Yio Chu Kang MRT North-South Line, you'll love the convenience of this area. If you like what you see in this video and would like to find out more, please give me a call at 9787-2020. My name is Evelyn, and I'll be more than happy to assist you.
AAG, the #1 top division in Orange Tea and Thai.